Okay, I just wanted to show you the tin foil and the duct tape has been pulled away. And you can see the repairs on the top side. And what you want to do is, like said, when you pull that duct or the tin foil away, right in here there's a little bit of area that hasn't been filled. And this is the finished side of the turn signal. So what I've done is taken an X-Acto blade and you just scuff it up really good so the fibro light has a place to bite. Then I'm going to smooth some more in right here, some fibro light, and then we can start working on finishing this repair. Okay, just wanted to show you the progress that we're making on the turn signals for the Turbo Seca or for the 900 SST. Remember in one of the videos I showed that we had right along this edge we taped some tin foil with duct tape, and you use the tin foil primarily so you don't get the fibril light to stick to the material. And of course I had some excess that was hanging off here, so I just took a razor blade, trimmed it above this line, and then very carefully I took a file and just started carefully filing along that edge where I got it down to the edge. And then I also use the file just to do my rough in of the body material. So I actually take it and very carefully in a circular motion go like that, and then I've done the same on the back side to knock out the majority of the material. Then had a little bit of this sandpaper left over from my triangle sander, and keep using that, sanding it. And that's how I also did a little work on this side. But I also found at the auto parts store this cool sander. You can see it's a hard foam. So for this edge I just sanded like that, and then when I was sanding here, fast circular motions, and the paper on this thing is 180 grit. So fast circular motions, and then what I'll do is I'll take my normal Bondo that's formulated to work on plastic, and then I'll just use it as filler. I've got some low spots in this fibril. Remember that fibril has like a fiberglass meshed into it or mushed into it. So it's really good for filling cracks, but it's not good for final detail work. So you want to use regular Bondo for your feathering on that. And I'm pretty stoked about this. This has only taken less than an hour. Just wanted to show you something else. Very common when these mount right to the fairing, they chip out right here. So I've started the process of filling that. But look at this. Look how much I can flex that. Normal Bondo would have already cracked. This fibril light, amazing stuff. Right there in the crack zone, lots of flexing. This stuff doesn't give a bit. I'm pretty stoked about using this stuff. And it's quick, it's fast, easy to use. So that's how you repair turn signals on the Turbo Seca or the 900 SST. Pretty simple. See you next time.